this was supposed to be the top. See how the screws came through? This is what the finished product looks like. The screws on the top. Check the hardware good because the screws are too long. You can feel them down here that have come through. Not what I expected.
Here's what they did. You drilled the holes in the wrong side. You can't put the thing together because look, the holes are on the wrong side. It's garbage. Look, garbage. You can't put together. Look, the holes are on this side, on the outside, not on the inside. You can't put it together.